Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust your brakes either at the start when you get your bike or after a few rides. All you're going to need is a 5mm Allen key. So we'll start with the front brakes. So what you want to do first of all to check if the brakes are good or centered is if you spin it, if you hear that noise, then you know your brakes are not centered. So what you're going to do first of all is make sure these caliper screws are loose with a 5mm Allen key. To loosen them, you go anti-clockwise and just shake it to make sure it's loose as it is. What you want to do then is press the lever 3 times and that will center the brake pads for you, and then you tighten the screws clockwise. Again, tighten it, make sure it's nice and tight. Whilst holding the lever, keep screwing them in, and there you go, no more noise. Now for the back brakes, it's the same way. First of all, just make sure these screws, caliper screws, are loose, again with a 5mm. And then what you're going to do is press the lever again 3 times. Whilst holding it, you turn the screws clockwise, both of them. Keep hold of the lever until both screws are nice and tight. Press them a few times again and then just spin it. And there you go.